Today is an errands day, aka maraming labada day! Ay, ano ba yun?
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn after this really meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I can stay inside and type away inside or make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and type away inside or take today go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, na na na, woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be isolated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops that dance on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I can stay inside and step away inside all night today, just a little less mundane. Oh, stay inside and step away inside all day.
Grabe yung baka sa torch ko, mainit-init pa. Nakakapa. Ayun nga, yung sa gubamis ng torch ko, bakal-bakal. Yung mga stado pala, nakakapasok.
Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel! I'm Vanessa! At kahit na kumukulog at kumikidlat ngayon habang pinifilm ko tong video na to, kaya medyo maingay sa labas. Welcome kayong lahat. Don't forget to like and to subscribe at mag-comment. And today is an errands day for me, so nakapagpa-laundry na ako. Mag-phone na lang ako. And then, that's it for the day. So, mag-phone na ako ngayon. Nakakatawa.
Hey, I think you're cute. Can I hit you up on Instagram? 'Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of. And I can't stop it, I'm wishing you and I were talking. But even if we talked, I wouldn't know what I would say. My social awkwardness would just get in the way. And maybe I'm a little bit shy, but I'll try my best to compromise. 'Cause oh, I think I really like you.
Maaraw na ulit! Ano ba yan? Aaraw, uulan. Pero mas gusto kong umuulan pag nasa loob ng bahay, di ba? Para ano, mas malamig. Anyway, while waiting for my meeting ng 5 p.m., kasama aking mga classmates, groupmates ng Film 230 class. So, gagawa muna ako ng something to eat. Join me! So it's just creamy yogurt plus fruits. Hindi lang masyadong matamis yung nabili kong mangga. But overall, carry naman. Mas masarap lang kung mas matamis siya kung merong granola. Wala na kasi akong granola yun. Mahal.
Yung dalawang in-edit ko na sequences. You have 4 minutes and 37 seconds yung several sequences. And then you have... May shot doon na nakatungsten yata yung isang shot. Whereas the others weren't.
Anong sequence siya? Macha-check mo ba? Kasi dun sa mga sequence ko, parang meron ako nag-iba-iba ako ng light. Baka may makikita ka lang na ibang shot, ibang take na mas mag-match ng light.
Moments, linger kayo sa shots para marami akong pwedeng putulan. Same thing with Van, ang dami kasi, ang haba masyado yung, tatanga ako bakit malaki yung download files ni Van? Kayo sa'yo, Justin, para...
Ikaw na lang.
Ay, para parehas kami ni patid pala kami.
Oo, ikaw na pala yun.
Kasi, tawag dito.
Kaya mo na yan, Rose.
Hindi pa natatapos yung semester, parang biglang dumadami yung requirements ng mga teachers.
And that's about it on today's episode of my Living Alone Diaries. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na. As in now na. Hit the notification bell button for my new videos. And feel free to comment anything under the sun. This is Vanessa. And I'll see you guys next time. At lagi mo tatandaan. Smile ka lang always. Bye! Okay!
Compromise, cause I think I really like how you're always staring at your feet. Pictures only tell so much.